This is something unique in the crypto space and makes you wonder. The XRP Ledger, as a matter of fact, is the only blockchain where there are 32,569 missing ledgers. Well, this is the official narrative. However, I do have my doubts, and here is what they say. A server bug from Ripple's 2012 launch erased critical data for the first 32,569 ledgers of the XRP Ledger. This means thousands of transactions were erased. As you know, a blockchain is basically a sophisticated database. And if you want to hide something, what's a better way than to erase thousands of ledgers? The Genesis block 1 to 32,570 are completely missing on the XRP Ledger history. So yes, Ripple claims this was a bug, this was accidental. I don't believe so. Now check this out. There are 136 Genesis wallets. And taking a closer look at those wallets, there is one very interesting wallet. It's called XFortKnox. This is very suspicious. So on January 26, 2013, more than a decade ago, we had a series of massive XRP transfers taking place. 8 billion, 8 billion, 8 billion, 9 billion, and 9 billion XRP. So this is the earliest major XRP distribution event in history. At the time, almost the entire XRP supply was still concentrated in a few Genesis wallets. And here is where it gets mind-blowing. There is another wallet, XDistributor1. This wallet originally held nearly 80 billion XRP, making it one of the largest early XRP distribution wallets ever discovered. And this wallet started the massive distribution of XRP. It did send XRP to multiple wallets, and the receiving wallets were actually titled Fort Knox 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'm gonna pause it here. This is getting too much for YouTube. I hope you understand me where this is going. I have documented everything. From wallet addresses to transaction IDs, everything is put together on that article. This seems to be the classical pattern of distribution among wallets. Now, I don't have the final answer. This could be an experiment. They could be tokenizing gold on the XRP Ledger. Or is this a sign XRP is going to be backed by gold? What I do know, there will be an intersection between digital assets and precious metals. And for the past 20 years, central banks are the greatest net buyers of gold.